Hey guys, I'm Bob and today we are at the
Under 25 Summit at Jaimal Palace. So we're meeting a lot of cool people here, a lot of travel enthusiasts, a lot of musicians, a lot of inspiring people. We're going to be showing you the place around, and also we're going to be making you interact with a lot of people who are extremely cool. So here we are.
Hope it's fun.
So we were at the Under 25 Summit.
Yeah, so you guys saw that, right? So how Rama and Ganta left us and went.
Yeah, we were very bored.
We were very bored, so we thought of start looking for some birds. And when I say birds,
Like
birds literally.
literally.
Yeah? Just because we're from Joseph, that does not mean we are like, you saw the news, right?
Yeah.
So we're not that. So we are from Bob, right? So we thought of doing another challenge video as usual.
Yeah.
So we thought of giving them a math question. Let's see how they all answered.
So there's a simple math question. You just have to look into it, think the question in your mind, and just give me the answer.
5,000.
Okay. So our friend over here had got this sum, and his answer is 5,000. I'll tell you the sum out. So it's 1,000, and add 40 to it, so that's 1,040. Add another 1,000, that's 2,040. You add 30, that's 2,070. You add another 1,000, that's 3,070. You add 20, that's 3,090. You add 1,000, that's 4,090. You add 10 to 4,090, it's 4,100. Okay, so you have failed the challenge.
Okay.
Clearly, you need to work on your maths right now.
Okay.
So you're getting a simple
I'm disappointed.
Okay, we'll make it a little simpler for you since you're wearing a leather jacket. So you just have to do like 3 sit-ups, okay? And every time you go down, you have to say boys of Bangalore, alright?
Okay, so I start now, okay? Do I? Yeah, of course. Okay, so go like boys of Bangalore, boys of Bangalore, boys of Bangalore. Like, share and comment.
5,000. No.
Okay, so the answer is 5,000.
5,000.
Okay.
No. 4,090 plus 10. What is it? 4,000. No, 4,100.
Yeah. She was right. You weren't. Okay, so that's a mistake most of them are doing. So when you have 4,090 and you add 10,
Oh yeah.
you did that as 5,000. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a very simple dare. Okay, so it's called the Dora jump. Have you watched Dora the Explorer?
Yeah.
You know how she used to jump when she reaches the destination, like spreading her legs and arms, and you jump. So yeah, you have to give a shout out to our channel, by doing the Dora jump. Yeah.
Let's do this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Okay. Second time. Yay! Like, subscribe, and share. Boys of Bangalore.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4,100.
Not bad. Our president gets it right.
This is right?
Yeah. So normally most of them they do it as 5,000.
Yeah.
So okay, since you won, I do a forfeit for you.
We'll give him one fun one. Do you see that girl in white?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one. No, this one, that one. Yeah. Just go to her, ask her what her name is, ask her which college she's from.
Okay.
Talk to her for a little while and then come back.
Oh, why is that?
Just. Yeah, you challenge, go do it.
Alright, cool. Hey, are you free for like 2 minutes? Are you free for like 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Gantavya. Your good name?
Vitisha.
You're from which college? Okay, so we guys are YouTubers, okay, and we're doing this challenge right here, okay? So there was this feature, and there, Utkarsh over there is like filming you, alright? So he just told me this challenge to just go and interact with you and tell your name. Of course, he was like, you're shy and stuff. Yeah, so just like you can wave at the camera over there. Yeah, thanks.
So while Vicky and others were busy bird watching, me and Ganta went around looking for YouTubers, and one of the YouTubers was Vinay Patil, who was actually a travel vlogger, and their channel link is down in the description. He gave us few tips, and we learned a lot from him. So this was our conversation with him.
Today we have Vinay with us, who is actually another YouTube content creator.
So Vinay, can you just tell us what motivates you to continue doing YouTube videos and how you come up with content day after day or week after week or whatever that you do? Like what motivates you to do those?
Well, I think there are two factors to this. One is the end result, of course, because at the end of the day, when you've made a video and you sit and watch it and you enjoy it and you want to make more of it, for sure. Like, of course, you don't want to stop at that because you see your result and it's the result of so much hard work, and then it gives you kind of a high. And since I'm an artist, I draw, I make sculptures. I know that like shading is like a super boring job, but when you end up with a really nice portrait, you're like, okay, where's my next portrait? So that's how it starts off, and that's how it should be. Like you may not enjoy the process, but it's the discipline to keep doing it till you reach the end result. And when you get happy, you will automatically be motivated to find more and do more.
Thank you, Vinay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Well, I wasn't even part of the challenges because I had better plans, but these guys, they just dragged me, and I was expecting some birds to watch, but then this is what I ended up watching.
Whoa! Bro, you're not even 5 feet tall.
We just met a lot of YouTubers and they had so much.
Just met 3 YouTubers.
It was still very eventful for us being a new channel. We made Sriram Solya and
Monica
RJ.
Dua from which channel? Makeup DJ. What a wow! What a wow!
What a wow! That lady was what a wow!
What?
What's the answer?
5K.
If someone lost their phone,
Okay, give me a minute. Just read up on it. So we want you to.
Me too.
Yes.
sing
Sing a rhyme.
And
And give a shout out to our channel, Boys of Bangalore.
all our jaws just dropped. I'm telling you, the
Rap
little
mode.
you can instantly describe his voice as a mix of his alone.
You know I'm Harman.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it
They
up
are
for
the
Kiran.
boys
He's a mix
of Bangalore. You have to know them. You really do. You can like, share, and subscribe.
Shubham Lal.
I'm a comedian. I suck at it.
Okay, the channel is called Cheetah Singh.
No. I'm Harmanpreet Singh. Yeah, Cheetah Singh too, but
We're gonna leave a
I'm alone now.
link in the
so-
description.
Where there?
Down there.
Down here. Like, woo!
5'8", right? So, quite good. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to watch our previous videos, it's over here. And if you want to subscribe to us, it's over here. Please do. Thank you.